Hello. Please be prepared to put on your seat belt. Okay. Hello Jagolorian. How are you doing? Great. I done great too. So you know about the EOS system. Well, I know this one.
The New York Department of Investigation is alerting the public that a suspect is believed to be in the area of 501 Street or 409th Street. The Horizon County Sheriff's Office is looking for Jackson Mall, who is wanted in the C.A.U. campus, which he has got to be somewhere around C.A.U. He is a black male with red eyes. He is wearing a football jersey, blue pants, and he has blue beard. If you have more information, call 911.